Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's important for every MacBook Air owner: repair and maintenance. Whether it's a hardware issue, a software glitch, or just a routine checkup, taking care of your MacBook Air is crucial to keep it running smoothly and avoid any potential problems down the line. From fixing a damaged screen, to upgrading the memory, to replacing a faulty battery, there are many things that you can do to keep your MacBook Air in top shape. Of course, some repairs may require more technical expertise and specialized tools. So it's always best to seek help from a professional if you're unsure of what to do. One of the most important parts of your MacBook Air is its battery. Over time, the battery will start to lose its capacity and may not hold a charge as well as it used to. This is why it's important to replace the battery when necessary, to ensure that your MacBook Air continues to function at its best. Regular maintenance and repair of your MacBook Air will not only help it run more efficiently, but it will also extend its lifespan, saving you money in the long run. And, of course, it will ensure that you're always able to get the most out of your device. Whether you're using it for work, play, or anything in between. That's it for today's MacBook Air repair video, guys. I hope you found this information helpful and learned something new about taking care of your MacBook Air. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.